Stolen device protection is a very useful feature on your iPhone, and it helps to keep your device and data secure. But sometimes you might want to turn it off. That's when you're changing some sensitive settings like trusted devices and stuff like that. It may require you to turn off stolen device protection. So to do that, go into settings. Under settings, scroll down to Face ID and passcode. Tap on that and then enter your passcode. And once you enter the passcode, it's going to open the Face ID and passcode settings page. Scroll down and find stolen device protection. Tap on that. And then from here, you can go ahead and disable that function. Obviously, it's going to scan your face before it can turn it off. So once it's grayed like that, that means you've successfully turned off the stolen device protection feature. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.